The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a formidable smartphone that offers a unique and versatile experience. You can use it as a normal phone or fold it into a compact shape that fits in your pocket. You can also prop it up on a table and use it as a mini laptop or a selfie camera. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a device that adapts to your needs and preferences. But to make the most out of it, you need some essential accessories that can enhance its performance, protection, and functionality. Here are 10 of them that you should consider. The first accessory you need for your Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a fast and reliable charger. Meet the Spigen Arc Station Pro, a series of wall chargers that use GaN technology to deliver fast and efficient charging for various devices. They come in different power outputs such as 20 watt, 45 watt, and 100 watt, and have USB-C ports that support Power Delivery 3.0 and Quick Charge 2.0 protocols. Whether you need to charge your phone at home, at work, or on the go, the Spigen Arc Station Pro can provide you with the power you need in a compact and sleek design.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
But what if you don't want to deal with cables and plugs? Then you need a wireless charger that can charge your phone without any hassle. Like the Spigen Arc Field, which is a wireless charger that uses magnetic alignment to provide optimal charging for compatible devices, such as the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It has a 15-watt output and an LED ring that indicates the charging status. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and a wall adapter. The Spigen Arc Field is a convenient and elegant way to keep your phone juiced up without any wires. Now, if you are driving and need to charge your phone, you need a car charger that can handle multiple devices at once. Introducing the FLYLEAD USB-C Car Charger, which can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with a total output of 60 watts. It also has a colorful LED ring that helps you locate your charger in the dark. The FLYLEAD USB-C Car Charger is a must-have for drivers who need to keep their devices powered up on the road. But what if you are away from any power source and need some extra juice for your phone? Then you need a portable battery pack that can give you some backup power when you need it most, like this Samsung battery pack, which is a 10,000 mAh battery pack that can charge your phone wirelessly or via USB-C cable. It has an LED indicator that shows the remaining battery level, and a fabric-like texture that feels comfortable in your hand. It also comes in different colors to match your style. Overall, the Samsung battery pack is a handy and stylish accessory that can extend your phone's battery life when you are out and about. Now let's talk about some accessories that can enhance your phone's functionality and features. One of them is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, which is a smartwatch that can sync with your phone and give you access to various apps, notifications, health data, and more. The Galaxy Watch 6 has a sleek design with an AMOLED display and a rotating bezel that lets you navigate easily. It also has advanced sensors that can measure your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen level, ECG, and more. It also has built-in GPS, LTE connectivity, NFC payment, and more. You can customize your watch with different watch faces and bands, and choose from different sizes and colors. In short, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is a smart accessory that can complement your phone and help you stay connected and healthy. Another accessory that can improve your phone's functionality and features is the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which are wireless earbuds that offer high-quality sound, noise cancellation, ambient mode, touch control, wireless charging, water resistance, and more. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your ears. They also have a long battery life and dual microphones that can pick up your voice clearly and reduce background noise. You can also use the Galaxy Wearable app to customize your sound settings, adjust the noise cancellation level, find your earbuds, and more. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is a great accessory that can enhance your phone's audio experience and let you enjoy your music, calls, and podcasts. Let's move on to some accessories that can protect your phone from scratches, drops, and dust. One of them is the Toro leather case for Galaxy Z Flip 5, which is a leather case that covers both sides of your phone and has a magnetic closure that keeps it secure. The case is made of genuine cowhide leather that is soft and durable, and has a microfiber lining that protects your phone's screen. The case also has cutouts for your camera, speaker, microphone, and charging port, and has a card slot on the back for storing your ID or credit card. The Toro leather case for Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a classy and elegant accessory that can protect your phone and add some style to it. Another accessory that can protect your phone from scratches, drops, and dust is the UAG Pro Case, which is a rugged case that has a dual-layer design that combines a hard shell and a soft core. The case is drop-test to military standards and has reinforced corners that absorb shock. The case also has raised edges that prevent your phone's screen from touching the surface when placed face down. The case also has a clear back that shows off your phone's color and logo, and has tactile buttons that provide solid feedback. Next, we have the Caseology Parallax for Galaxy Z Flip 5, which is a slim case that has a textured pattern that provides grip and style. The case is made of flexible TPU material that's easy to install and remove, and has air cushion technology that disperses shock. The case also has precise cutouts for the camera, speaker, microphone, and charging port, and has responsible buttons that provide a satisfying click. You can buy it on Caseology's website. The Caseology Parallax for Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a simple and sleek accessory that can protect your phone and add some flair to it. The last accessory on our list is the CASETiFY, which is a customizable case that lets you design your own look with different colors, fonts, graphics, stickers, and more. The case is made of recycled plastic, which is eco-friendly and durable, and has an antimicrobial coating. The case also has an innovative two-piece design that allows you to fold your phone without any interference. The case also has drop protection and raised bezels that protect your phone's screen and camera. All in all, the CASETiFY Impact Case is a fun and creative accessory that lets you express yourself and protect your phone. So that concludes our list of 10 essential accessories of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.